like to play cricket, I like to eat uttapam, I like to watch movies, and I am here to learn to speak English confidently and fluently.
I like to teach, I like to watch movies, I like to play with my son. Nowadays, I come to the Personality Development Academy to speak English confidently. Thank you.
I will be thine always, my Lord, I will.